How to increase limit on Ring app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the ways to increase the limit on Ring app. So for that case, you typically need to refer the number of the device or user connected to your Ring account. You'll need to follow this step. The first thing is you have to go ahead and open up or log in into your Ring app. Due to some security concern, I won't be able to show you the screen. I'm just gonna instruct you. Then you need to go ahead and navigate the settings menu within the Ring app. This is usually represented by a gear icon or labeled as settings. And when you look for an option, then on the other field look for an option within the settings menu related to managing device or user. This may be labeled as devices or user depending on the specific features you're trying to adjust. And if you're unable to find the direct options to increase the limit within the device user settings, you can also try accessing your account settings instead and look for options related to account limits or subscriptions as well. In some cases, increasing the devices or user limit may require upgrading your Ring protection subscription or purchasing additional services. If this is the case, follow the prompt to upgrade your subscription level as well. If necessary, you can also contact the support team through the app or the account settings support. You may need to contact Ring customer support for assistance. They can provide guidance and support to help you adjust the limits as needed. By following this step, you should be able to increase the limit on Ring app to accommodate more devices or users as needed. So that is how you can increase the limit on Ring app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.